This front style is very beautiful. For those of you who have curly hair, you will look like you don't know that your hair is curly. Especially for those of you who have curly hair. You can apply it, and they will no longer know that you have curly hair. First, start by not going over the ears. That is, we will split the shape more or less. Next, don't forget to apply serum first, because even if your hair is curly, we apply it first so that it's easy to tie so that when you tie it, it won't be messy. Messy hair. Hair that's unruly. Take it down and split it in half. The reason I said to take so much is because I took it in 2 layers. So we split it in half. We don't take too little. We take a lot. When we take 2 layers, it looks beautiful, actually. Her hair is almost ready to be straightened. So we take her hair and make it curly. When her hair is straightened, it doesn't look like this anymore. Put the earlobes together in 2. Yes, we tied the front pieces like this. Oh, I remember my tying was like 11 pieces. Like about 11 pieces per side, 5 on each side of the same side. But if you want to go a little further, you can do it a little bit more. But the less you put in, the closer and more beautiful this model is. You can see the rubber coming out like a hair clip. We've already tied the first half, so we're going to tie the second half. The second half is what we want to do with the first half. The first half is 5. The second half is also 5. In fact, when I wanted her hair done, it was in the evening, and there were customers who had come since morning, but only 2 or 3 left. Yes, because it was almost closing time for the shop. Oh, so I took the time to teach everyone how to do a new style. Yes, this style is new. This is what we want in the second half, and it's the same as the first half. Hey, who has curly hair? Yes, you can share this style for whenever we want to do it. We want our hair to look beautiful. Because I always believe that people with curly hair have a really hard time styling their hair. That's why they want to find different styles to do it like people with straight hair. But it's hard to style it because they're afraid of going out of style, okay? Now let's get to this part. Well, the front hair is where we take the first hair and the third hair and want to join the second hair at the back. And then we take the second hair and the fourth hair and half of it and want to join the fourth hair at the back like this. And we take the second hair and separate it into 2 and tie it with the first and third hair. Look, you can see that this is similar to tying a net, but we don't call it a net. We call it a braid because tying a net is a kind of braid. There is no hair tied back. But this is to confuse you guys because the hair in the middle is very different. If we want to do it in 3 parts, we can also put the 3 parts together like we want the second part and combine them with the first part. If we only do 2 parts like this and we straighten the hair at the back like this, it will be fine. But this hairstyle, we don't straighten it. We tie it back because we want you to have curly hair that you don't have a straightening machine, or that is difficult to straighten yourself. You can style it like we do. So when we do each hair, we think about those who don't have enough tools and want beautiful hair and want to have a beautiful style. So we think about how to make it easy for you. It's so beautiful and doesn't need any more makeup. It's so beautiful. With my tutorial, you can share this video with someone. When we go out, we can tie it like this. We can sleep for a few days. Oh, this is so tight. And we tie it like this and we don't see our hair shrinking. Next, we take our hair and wrap it a little. Finally, it's done. Now, we have a unique hairstyle that people will look at and admire. Every video is really created so that you can get new styles. Some of you may wonder, how come new styles keep coming out? I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. I remember wanting to make new designs for you all the time. So for those of you who see this video, please share and subscribe. To get more new designs one after another, we still have many more beautiful designs for you all. And all designs can be learned by yourself.